Hello everybody, this is Daniel from China Gadgets Reviews. In this video we'll test the video capabilities of Doogee X70 smartphone, this one. Okay, to do that we'll need to use Antutu Video Tester 3.0. This one, this is the very first run, so I'll let you see the entire benchmark, so please be patient. It will take about 6 minutes, so let's do it. Enjoy. Okay, the benchmark is over. Here we go with the score. We have 650 points, which is very nice. This is a very good score. This firmware version fully supported 14 different audio and video files, partially supported 9 items, and not supported 7 items, which is very good. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.